Okay, so discuss natin tong fundamentals of fluid flow sa hydraulics. Specifically, yung types of flow. Ilang beses na yan lumabas sa boards. Eto, may compilation na ako. Puro terminologies nga lang, di ba? Labasin yan eh. So, practicein natin yan. And ito, from India Bix. And then, may lumabas daw ng March 2026. Discuss natin. Recent lang. Similar or ganyan ata? Nakita ko lang. Parang ganyan yung tanungan. Okay, so dito sa types of flow, meron kasi tayong maraming types or classification. Classification ng types pala. Itong laminar and turbulent, yan yung based on frictional effects. 'Di ba? Kasi nga yan yung ginagamitan natin ng ano eh, Reynolds number. Based on frictional effects yan siya. Yang laminar and turbulent. Then meron din tayong tinatawag na based on what? Space and time. Space as in yung position. Position na lang kaya. Space kasi sa book eh. Position and time. Ayan. Ba mas malaki. So, yan yung apat na yan. No, so sa based on frictional effects, we have laminar and turbulent. Ang classification lang nito kapag laminar, ayun, yung paths niyan, yung fluid particles, yung path nun, yan, is straight line and parallel. Okay, so di yan magko-cross sa isa't isa. Unlike sa turbulent na yung erratic or yan nagko-cross cross with each other. So, yun lang yan. Then, meron pa yung values na Reynolds number. Iwalay na lang natin na video yun. No, so dito in general muna tayo. So, ganyan lang sa frictional effect. It's based on frictional effects. So, based on position and time, we have this steady and unsteady. Tapos, uniform and non-uniform. Actually, pag position, dito ko na lang. Pag position, yan yung uniform tsaka non-uniform. Okay. Pag steady, uniform or non-uniform yan. Pag position, either uniform or non-uniform yan. Kasi yan yung nakabase yan sa cross-sectional area ng pipe. And kapag time, yan yung steady and unsteady. Steady or unsteady. Yun lang. Then, pwede yan silang mag-cross. Kaya apat yan. 2 times 2, 4. Pwedeng uniform unsteady, uniform steady, non-uniform steady, non-uniform. Oh, baliktad pala ako. Steady pala yung una. Steady uniform, steady non-uniform, unsteady uniform, unsteady non-uniform. O, ganun. So, again, kapag steady, ito yung tinutukoy niyan. Kapag steady, an ideal fluid maintains same velocity at all times. So, ayan, steady for time. And then, ang uniform naman, anong shape? Ano nung kanina? Tatlo. O, kapag uniform naman, yan yung nagbabari sa each point. So, cross-section. Kaya, masasabi mo, kapag similar, uniform yung cross-section, uniform flow yun. Ganun lang. Diba? So, ayan. Kaya ito, steady uniform. So, hindi nagbabari with respect to time and hindi rin nagbabari with respect to distance, position. Kasi all throughout ng pipe is same cross-section lang. Prismatic, kumbaga. Di ba? Ito, pag steady ng uniform, ito yung sa steady, velocity remains constant with time. Yan, constant with time. Ito, same velocity at all times kanina. And then kapag non-uniform naman, ayun, different from one location to the next. Kasi nga, ayun no, tapering siya, di ba? So dito mas malaki, dito mas maliit. Non-uniform yan. Pero steady. Kasi with respect to time, same velocity lang. And kahit anong oras, same lang yung velocity. sa bawat cross-section. Ay, sa bawat oras rather. Sa bawat cross-section, yun na yung magiging, nagba-vary na siya. Kaya, non-uniform. Okay, so dito tayo sa unsteady uniform. So, pag unsteady, again, so it does change with respect to time. So, the valve is slowly opened and so at any instant, ayun, um, at any instant, ayun, it changes with time. Pero, para sa uniform, at any instant, velocity is the same at all points. Kahit ano ang location niyan kasi uniform nga siya. Same cross-section lang all throughout. Pero dito sa isa, ano naman ma-undo? Dito sa isa, unsteady with respect to time, yan, different at each point, different, naku, different at each time, and then non-uniform din siya kasi different din siya at each point. So, ganun lang. And pag pinagsama-sama yan, ayun na. Pwede steady uniform, steady non-uniform, unsteady uniform, unsteady non-uniform. Pero dito sa isa, sagutan natin tong una. March 2026, discuss na natin. So if the velocity of the particle varies from point to point, o vary daw from point to point, ano yun, vary from point to point. Vary from point to point, so that is, yung velocity nagbabago, di ba? Non-uniform yan. O, yan na ba yung sagot natin? Ano na lang, simplehan ko na nga lang, non-uniform. In magnitude, okay? Magnitude yun eh. Pag sinabing direction, eto na yun. Ayun oh. 'Di ba? Nag-iiba yan ng velocity. Meron kang horizontal, meron kang downward, combination na siya. O kaya pag nakita mo na yan, automatic na yan na turbulent. Ito pa lang sa direction turbulent na yan dito. As well as from instant to instant. Instant to instant. Instant to instant, yan naman yung with respect to time. So, ano naman yan? Ano ba pwedeng kulay? Green naman. Ayan. So, instant to instant, yan naman yung, ano yun? Unsteady. Unsteady. So, ayun. Meron ka bang non-uniform na unsteady? Non-uniform, unsteady. Wala siya choices. Dito yun kasi dahil sa may direction, turbulent na yan siya. Ayun. So, fully clear naman yun, no? So, that will become turbulent na siya. In fluids, steady flow occurs when conditions of flow change with time. Conditions of flow change steadily with time. So, yan yung unsteady. Di ba? Yan yung unsteady. Hinapan na ako anong gagamitin kong color. Yan na lang. Unsteady. Conditions of flow does not change with time at a point. So, yan yung steady. Conditions of flow remain the same at adjacent point. Adjacent point, yung sa katabi. Tapos vector velocity, ito, kakaiba na yung description dito eh. So, yun lang yung makikita mo, steady or unsteady. So, does not change with point ang steady. Conditions of flow remains the same at adjacent point. Anong tinutukoy na point? Yung katabi? Parang laminar yon kapag ganun. Ayun no? Diba? Conditions of flow remain the same at adjacent point. So, bawat yung mga katabi niyang point yan, para-parehas lang sila. Pero siya laminar na uniform. Ano ba to? Unsteady. Okay, tama lang. Pala yung gets naman yung mga, mga shortcut. Uniform naman is said to occur when, pag uniform, cross-section yon. So, size and shape of the cross-section in a particular length remain constant. Ayan. So, ito size and shape of the uniform of the cross-section change along the length. So, yun naman yung non-uniform. So, ito ay uniform. Then frictional loss in a particular length of channel will be more than the drop of its elevation. So ito may mga loss na to eh. Gamitin na yan ng ano, Bernoulli's. So frictional loss in the particular length of the channel will be less than the drop in elevation. Ito, yung ano lang, pag uniform flow, cross-section lang talaga yan. Palatandaan dun. Okay, pag uniform ay in cross-section. Kaya kapag constant all throughout yung pipe mo, uniform flow yun. Ito, sagutan naman natin tong past board, CRF. Ayan, volume 1 to eh. In fluid flow, fluid particles travel to the adjacent layers and the paths of individual particles do not cross. Ayun, yun yung clue. Do not cross. So therefore, the flow is said to be, and do not cross. So therefore, the flow is said to be laminar yan. Okay. Ito naman, noong Nov 2019, a type of flow where at any instant, the amount of fluid particles passes through a pipe section is constant. At any instant, time yan, no? Any instant time, amount of fluid particles passing through the section pipe is constant. So, that is, at any instant, at any instant. So, time yan. Kaya, steady flow yan. Does not change, di ba? Is constant. So, ayun, steady flow yan. And then lastly, when the path, May 2016, when the path lines of the individual particles of a flowing fluid are irregular curves and continually cross, ito yung keyword continually cross each other and form a complicated network. So, yung turbulent na yan. Kasi itong continuous, yun lang naman yung ano eh. Pag continuous, yun yung nagpa-follow ng continuity equation, which is area 1, velocity 1, is equal to area 2, velocity 2, then tuloy-tuloy. Diba? Kasi nakaano to sa law of conservation of mass. Yung mass flow rate niyan. Which is yun na rin yung discharge natin. Constant lang yan. Constant law. Kaya, continuous. Ito laminar. Yun. Meron na tayo. Uniform, alam na yan. Yun lang yung naiiba dyan. Ito may dynamic. Dynamic flow. May ganun ba? Critical flow. So, open channel. Meron tayong critical, 'di ba? Depth. Critical velocity. So, ayun lang muna. That's it for these problems. Hope you learned something. Thank you.